It grew a little mushroom, and then a hairy ape man, he put it in his mouth. He started having thoughts, all kinds of ideas, grew himself a little ego, invented a new language, but then he built a tower, designed a system of power. You know, I read it in the paper. He made a tiny computer that fits inside your hand, communicate across the planet, look back into the cosmos, post a picture for your Facebook, make a profile on your Snapchat, murder people from a distance, and laugh at videos of cats. Everything, 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 everything is bullshit. It's bullshit. Oh, everything, 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 everything is bullshit. It's bullshit. It's just a bunch of fucking bullshit. Yes. Bullshit. Bullshit. I know I love you. That's all I know, I love you. I know I love you. I love you.
I'm the last leaf on the tree. They all done took the rest, but they won't take me. I'm the last leaf on the tree.